everybody. Here we are in week 4. We have just began week 4, dealing with creating a course together. We started last week. It was in week 3. The collaborative course design implies that our team of teachers and people who are living in different parts of the world are now working together thanks to the Moodles and interesting web tools that enable collaboration online. It all started online. We were a group working on the issue sustainability, and the issue had been suggested by Cheryl McCoy. Working together means that we had to keep in touch, to share ideas, and also we had to work from home. What I did was to take part in a WithIQ meeting. I was not able to do all the other WithIQ and also the first Hangout, which I know had some problem for Cheryl. Collaborative course design. What we did was we worked together on the teacher practice area, which was topic 33. Under the supervision of a leader, we had to set rules and to share materials, document, and to present ideas about what to do in the course. This was done in an informal way, also by using the forum, by sharing ideas, also by writing each other. What you can see here is the screenshot of teamwork, the teamwork where we were all working together, and this was in the teacher practice areas. Everybody had to suggest activities and any material which might be used for us. And as you see, Cheryl asked us, we are all in this together, which is the title of our activity. Please don't delete, which we did. We had some problems due to the jobs that we do because some of us were at school or at college. And also the main problem was due to the fact that some of us are living in Europe while others not in Europe. For example, Cheryl is living in the USA, so collaborating online can be sometimes difficult, but we succeeded in some way. This is my presentation of how we worked online. First of all, we worked online together and we get to what we call an agreement. So we shared ideas about the topic, what each one would do, how we will communicate. It was done in week 3. What particular topic we would try to present. You must be reminded that we are doing this course and that it's going to finish soon. So what is going to happen is that we have just working on a rough idea what we might do in a collaborative course together. And here is a screenshot which I took yesterday dealing with the course. As you can see, this is the model. We are all in this together. And here you see the English language learning about our world and its future, which is my section. Now let's go to the model. So here we are in the Moodle in the section for we are all in this together. As you can see, we have some dashboards. We have flow plan life cycle. Someone has added the flow of sustainable knowledge and skills. Here you will see we have the materials which we have shared together. Scroll down, I can show you some of the materials that we have already added. Okay, some materials are some links online. We have a flow chart. We have the learning design of the course. I also uploaded the link to the materials online which I have collected so far. It is in a Google document. And this is what I shared with Cheryl. I will keep on writing more by adding more resources because I think that what we have been starting doing together can be the beginning of an important activity dealing with sustainable development and the idea that we are living all together. So now I'm going to show you the part which I have developed, which is a sort of an English section dealing with the issue we have been doing. I have turned the editing off so that I could also add more activities, but I feel that what we have done is enough in terms of what I can do this week because um, it will take me more time to think about what to do. First of all, I started my section by providing images that have to do with nature and the wild water. And I created a sort of an introduction so that my student might be able to understand that as we live in the same area and as we live on the same planet, we do need to fight to have a better planet because my life is connected to the life of the others. Then I decided to plan some activities. First of all, I chose a video dealing about pollution. The video was an important one, a short one from NASA, where students could see what is happening to our Earth. I feel this is a really great way for starting the lesson while the students are learning online. It is very powerful. Then I decided to create the forum. What do you know about the responsibilities of man and pollution? And I would expect them to provide some short replies. What do you think about the issues? An idea they will have to post in the discussion area. And I would ask them to think about the issue of sustainability. And my idea would be to get them into thinking by doing a quiz and then by asking them to post their ideas and what they know, what they would like to tell me more about. I would continue as I teach English with an important song, which is Dear Future Generation, Sorry. I feel that the song could be used in class also, but it is a message that is a message of, in some way, desperation, as the student would have to listen to the song and think about the final message. This one would be an activity where the student would have to submit what they have learned about from this song. I'm aware that it is a negative image of today's world, but this is what is happening. Then I would ask my student to think about men and women who have been in some way struggling to protect the nature. So what I found was this video from Luna, the Stafford Giant Report Tree. And again, this would be a way for providing them with some input. As I teach English, my task would continue with English language. Once the student have been aware with the issue, they might be asked to write a story, which would be submitted on the Moodle. My idea would be to let them choose a picture dealing with the issue we have been talking about, the sustainability, the problem of the earth, pollution, and imagining that they are living in the 23rd century, not ours, they should think about what might happen to the Earth and what she would write about, because we don't know what might happen to our planet. Here is the description. Your text should contain at least 300 words. Images can be found on Pixabay, and I would provide an image dealing with the serious matter of pollution and sustainability. It's a word which is in some way full of problems. People are struggling because of the shortage of water and the resources. Sorry for the mistake, I realize there is a mistake here. And then I would ask them to fill in and write their story. Here is the size for the submission. As you can see, it's not a long activity, it is an activity for students aged 16. So this would require some critical thinking skills, but also some personal reflection, because I would like them to use the language and think about the word. Now we are going to the final reflection which I have about this experience online. So I am back in my presentation. Now we have seen my section, and yes, as you can see, I have chosen some activities and some resources. I wanted to create some more, but actually the timeline is for just something to be done to show you how we can work online. So to sum up, what I have devised in the course is a sort of a plan for English language activities. Working online, watching some videos as an individual activity, the students can get some more knowledge about the issue. I would ask them to reflect online and after asking questions, they might collaborate online, share ideas, brainstorm ideas. The final section would have to do with writing skills, where students are asked to write a story in English. I'm aware that this is only the beginning of what we might do, also because if I had more time, I would add more tasks. But this is what I have done so far. I might integrate it later this week. So now, thank you all. What we have done. I wish to thank everybody and also Nelly for the great activity she's been doing so far. Thank you.